Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. Mrs. B Lux Life. I'm Sarita, and yes, if you watched the last video, I brought the bag back. When I got to the store, I played around with it. It just wasn't me. It just didn't work for me. So it's back at the store, but I did exchange out something that I still was going to buy anyway, in addition to that bag. But since I was there, they had two available. I was able to get one, but then I had to make a decision between this one and another one, both in ruby, and that's what we're gonna unbox today. I'm gonna show y'all how it fits in the bag, and I'm gonna also put, what else am I putting in there? Oh, I'm gonna put some cards in the card wallet thingy too. So that's what we're doing, guys. Hold on, I wanted to show you, I picked up something yesterday. It was Monday the 16th, and yeah, I did this, when did I do it? Friday, the same day I told y'all when I posted that video. That's the day I brought that back. But I picked this up yesterday from Macy's. This week they're having one-day sales, so I picked this up yesterday for $60. It was regular $130, and I needed a refill, so perfect. My son bought me this probably about 2 years ago, and I finally ran out. So $60, y'all. $60 yesterday. That's how much it was. I don't know what the price is today, so I'm sorry for just posting, but I was going to do it yesterday and get around to posting. But Sunday we welcomed the baby boy to the family. So yes, today, yesterday, and Sunday, I'm a GiGi. Hold the applause, hold the applause. I know, it's exciting. It's exciting. So yeah, I haven't held him yet, so I'm going to probably hold him sometime this week before we leave for our trip. And yeah, but he's here, he's healthy, he's good, and yeah, blessings, blessings, blessings. So here is the little item that we're going to unbox. Isn't it so cute? Isn't that cute? Yeah, so let's open it, get to business, because I have a busy day. I have a doctor's appointment today for my yearly, and I still have to finish packing. I still have some group things to get packed and situated. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. But I'm excited about this too, because I needed this, because even though this wallet fits inside of the what's it called, the 20, the tabby 20, the tabby quilted 20, I wanted something else. So, and I wanted something else in that color. So this is what I went with. Hold on, let me put the bottle down. This is what I went with, y'all. That color is gorgeous. I don't know, hold on, y'all. Okay, that's better, because baby, I was shining bright like a diamond. I like this better. I hope. Okay, but this is the color, the dark ruby. This is the slim card case. It has 4 card slots, and then a slot over here for probably another card, some change, some money can go back here, money can go back there. It doesn't open on this side, but that's how it is. The color is gorgeous. And on the back there's a pocket back at the back. It is glove tan leather. Y'all know I'm terrified of glove tan, but I'm like, okay, it's inside the bag, it should be fine. But look at the glazing. The glazing is beautiful. Yeah, it is gorgeous. So yeah, and y'all can see right here, I looked at the other one, both of them, that's where they end the threading at. So both of the ones that they had at the store were exactly the same. It has silver hardware. Y'all can see that. And it's nice. It's so, I don't know, it's supple. It's a nice wallet, card case, whichever you want it to be. And I don't keep coins in my bag, so if I have any additional cards, I will put them in the little zippy spot. I'll put cash if I have any on me behind here or behind there. I just think it's nice, and it has button closure. Let's see. Boop, y'all heard that? Yeah. So let's see how it fits. Oh, I wanted to show y'all that, but I might have to do that on another video. I've been trying to dress up my bag. Y'all probably can't see it, it's too far, but I picked these little pearls up from, well, faux pearls from Target. It's supposed to be a mini bag strap extender or something like that, and I bought that, but I bought two, but the other one was out of stock and they're shipping it, so that one comes today. So I'm gonna wait until that one comes to do a review on what I'm doing with that. So let's take out this beauty. I don't know, I'm trying to be on time, y'all, trying to be on time. But here is the beauty. I'm trying to see if I'm going to take her on travels. I'm thinking not, but maybe. I don't know yet. But look at that. Just to show y'all again this beauty. And then let's open her up. And let's slide this one. I'm going to put it in the back pocket. And that's how it is. Perfect. My phone can still fit up here. If the purse that I buy, my phone can't fit, it's a high possibility of a no. I mean, very, very high chances of. So, yeah. And I love the Gucci bag. I'm so happy that I got it before they have any little surprise increases. And now I keep thinking, what else do I need from there? Because they have the little bag that's like a Speedy, or is it a Boston bag? Do they still call it a Boston bag? I don't know. But the one that's made like a Speedy, I want to add one. I looked at it months ago, but I don't know. I need stuff that's I'm going to use. I can't keep buying stuff like I have over the years to sit and say I have it. No, I need to have stuff that I'm going to use and not waste my money, because just sitting there and having it is a waste of money to me. I've been there, done that, probably over 100K worth of bags, y'all, seriously. And yeah, I have to be, these last 2 years have really set in on me to be smart and not to just buy stuff to buy, because when we leave here, I can't take it with me anyway. So I'm more of the functionality, use it or lose it. Just like insurance, you don't use that FSA benefit, you lose it by the end of when the beginning of the new year starts. So that's what I'm doing. If I don't plan to use a bag, I'm not gonna buy it. So that's where I'm at with that. This is my fall bag, so I will be getting plenty of use out of this. I keep thinking, do I need to add the black and gold? I want to wait, but then I don't know how long I should wait, because my jumbo is still at the shop, because it had, I'm gonna have to, I'll see if I can put some pictures up so y'all can see the little pops that was on there. But it's taking this long. For the price of that bag, they should have had it done in a week and sent it back. But it's still at whatever shop in Paris or whatever. So I literally just called last week. It's still there. So I don't know. That's another, my husband just wanted me to have it. Yeah. And I'm thankful, but I'm just like, I'm making smarter decisions when it comes to bags, because baby, for the price, nothing should be popping. Nothing. And I've only had it 3 years. I mean, nothing should be popping. But hey, it is what it is. It's at the shop of whatever they call it, or whatever it is that they done sent it to. It's there. It's been there since February. This is September. Yeah, okay. Back to the bag. Look, I just love this. Love it, love it, love it. So this is the bag. Full, and y'all see how you can't see the wallet? That bothered me when I put this one in there. You can see it, and I was like, even though it fits, which is good, so on days I do want to just throw it in there, that's fine too, but I don't want to see it peeping at me through here. You cannot see the card holder. You can see it when I open the bag like this, well, not like that, like this, or from the side a little bit, but you can't see it. You can't see it. So it's perfect. I'm gonna put some cards in it just so we can see how it is with some cards in it. And that'll be that, y'all. I'm not gonna waste y'all time. I'm getting to the business because I have a busy day, and I really need to stay on. I need to stay on track. I need to stay on track. I have a couple stores that I need to go to, and looking for a certain thing. I wanted some new. My sunglasses have a scratch on the lens. I don't know what I was doing to scratch them, but I have a big scratch on the lens, and I'm ticked about that. But I'm trying to find me some more that I like, and that's it. Now I did want to show y'all this too. This little thing is supposed to be a bag charm, a tabby bag charm, and it has a card slot on the back, and you can put cards in the inside. I'm gonna see how this fits in here too. Ooh, ooh, that's a little tight. That's a little tight. It's in there, but it's tight. So, because I thought about that at the store before making this purchase, and I was like, well, no, I need something. Let me see, that matches. Oh, let me do it like this so it could be cute. Oh, I better close it, huh? Okay, look at that. Isn't that cute? Yeah, let's do a side by side. That's how it is. So perfect. Now, oh, y'all, okay, blooper. I'm trying not to be editing and all that cutting and stuff. It's too much at times, so it's gonna have to be what it is. It is what it is. That's what it's gonna be. But I put some cards in here. I don't have anything on the bottom side. It's full, 3 cards. It can hold 4, probably more than that if you double it up, because I do double up sometimes. And that's it. It's still good. In the inside, it closes. Y'all, I can say I have a jumbo, but the small, medium, and jumbo, I think, are all styled the same in the inside. This bag is damn near, oh, can I say that? Yeah, I didn't say it now. It's exactly how my Chanel is. Like the inside, I really can't wait till it comes so I can do, it might be months, so I can do a comparison. But there's an inside spot here, there's a spot here, there's the little love note section. Oh, they don't have that section. They don't have the little love note area. But yeah, but they have this little spot in the front. Yeah, I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bag. The leather is amazing, and it's a beautiful piece. So if you don't have a tabby 20 or a tabby quilted any size, look into getting one. This one's good for crossbody. This one's good for possibly every day. It's a beautiful bag. Baby Coach is doing their thing. For the last 2 years, they've been upping it. They've been upping it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show y'all. And I guess while I'm on here, I can show y'all. I brought both the Speedies, but I'll show y'all this one. I haven't taken the little tag thingy off of it, but I'm gonna put other stuff on here. But honey, y'all have been killing it with dressing up these bags, so I have to get my charm game together. And yeah, but this little charm, so dainty, was $5 at Target. So $5.41 with tax. And then I had a gold one I ordered too. It's a little gold mini one, but it was out of stock there, so they're shipping it to me. It comes today, and then when I get that, I'll do more, I guess, more decking it out or whatever. But yeah, I think that's cute. And now I'm like, okay, do I just need to get another pearl one to go on that bag so they're gonna have their own and I'll have to switch it out? But I'm gonna put the names below of those that have decked out their bags, and have me over here, for one, looking at getting a rolling, for 2, decking out my bag, for 3, extending my wish list. My wish list about to explode, but I'm not about to even look at it until I come back. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not looking at that wish list until I come back. So that's what I'm saying now. That's what I'm saying today. I'm going to try to stay focused. But you ladies that have decked out your bags, thank you for sharing it with us, because they look stunning. Honey, I'm over here like I don't have nothing on my bags compared to what they are doing decking theirs out. And it's Satchel September. So I'm planning to do something satchel wise too. So I might do that when I dress the bags up. I don't know, y'all. I'm still trying to, get my things, the gears are churning. So this is the beauty in the card holder that we talked about today. I mean, the leather's beautiful. Even when you open it, you can see That is pretty. So it's all filled in, and I think this is good for travel. I think it's good for every day. It's a good piece, and I'm glad to have it in a specialty color because I don't know how long this will be around. So I like it. It's a nice size. Let me show y'all compared to the medium. And I'm sorry again, I'm looking at this perfume. I'm sorry I'm putting this up so late because y'all probably could have grabbed it, but I'll make sure I try to do it better next time. It was a one-day sale. Okay, but I can tell y'all tomorrow Macy's is having a one-day sale on handbags and accessories. So we got to see what that deal is. It doesn't show, but usually they do knock big dollars off a Coach. So, but this is the slim compared to the medium. Compared to the medium, that's the slim card case. So yeah, big thing. So I'm excited to finally have something small, wallet functional for me. And I still don't want to go back and get the 17. It just wasn't doing it for me. I don't know, it just wasn't doing it for me. So whoever does have it, I hope you are loving it. I hope you enjoy it. Wear it bad, okay? But I'm just going to be patient. My cousin texted me the other day. She wants the new Tabby from the Runway. Beautiful color that she selects, and I think she's going to get it. And she told me about a new group to look at, and I'm going to look at that. And that's it, guys. So I'm still, I'm in here prepping. I'm overly excited and anxious because this is my big group. I had a group last month, but I didn't go with them. This group I'm going with. This is the biggest group, and I'm so thankful. So thankful. I will try to share pictures and stuff once we come back, but I am just like overly thankful. So they all entrusted me. A lot of these people, like 80%, are first time cruisers, all because of what I told them, and I'm excited. So this new thing, I was stay-at-home mom for over 17 years, so this is something new to be tapping into what I love, which is travel. Because anybody that knows me know I'm always trying to book a trip to tell everybody to go, and always end up, if I tell 20, it always end up 5. So, but travel, go see the world, see as much as you can while you're on this side of the green, okay? And I'm excited, and I'm overly thankful, y'all. I'm excited, but I'm thankful, and I'm about to get out of here. I wanted to share this with y'all. I've shared it with y'all. I love this color. Beautiful piece. If you don't have anything in this, get it. And that's it. Until next time, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to keep on it now, y'all. Trying to stay on track, trying to post. And I thank you guys that have subscribed. If you haven't, what are you waiting on? Hit it. It's free. I'm telling you, you won't get a bill or anything. It's not a subscription fee, nothing on your Apple, nothing. Okay? It's free. Ding, and notification. So when I do post, you'll know. But until next time, you guys have a great day. And guess what? Y'all check out Nothing But Bags. She put up a Serenity handbag prayer for us handbag ladies, and we need it. Trust me, we need it. Because Lord, grant us. Whew. Yeah. But thank you guys. Peace.